Hello my joyful people, greetings to you all. Today let's make this easy and delicious jollof rice together. First thing needed is this ripe tomatoes, 1 large onions, paprika, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic and ginger. First I'll put these two aside. I'll work on the tomatoes. And to all my returning subscribers, from the bottom of my heart, a big thanks to you all. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I also turn the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. And I'm uploading soon again. Please, after watching this video, help me to like, drop a comment, encourage somebody to do more. Once I am done, I'll go ahead and parboil it just for 15 minutes. At this point, it's fully ready. I'll take it straight to the filter. So I will leave it for 2 hours. But within 30 minutes, 1 hour is perfectly okay. If you can also leave it for 2 hours, wonderful. So this is the water that comes out from it. Can you see it's very dried? I'll go ahead and prepare the paprika. Make sure it's free from seed. So I'll do this, turn it into a small pieces. The next thing is for me to start grinding it. So I will start it with the tomatoes that I've already prepared. Once you are doing this, make sure you don't add any waters to it for a perfect result. So once this tomatoes is ready, I will leave part of it inside the blender. It will serve as a water or a liquid for me to blend the paprika and the onions. So when you are blending this, if you want it to over smooth or average, just depends how you loved it to look like. But when I'm doing this, I don't really want it to be over smooth now. So it's fully ready, guys. I'll put it aside. So here is the turkey that I'm going to be using. It's already washed. Beef is already washed. The next thing I'll add Scotch bonnet pepper, sliced onions, some salt, curry, thyme, and you can use any seasoning of your choice. This is a seasoning powder. So once I am done, I will mix it thoroughly, make sure it's well mixed. I'll go ahead and cook it for 10 minutes without adding any liquid to it. So at this point, I'll add some water. I'll cover it again to allow it to cook. At this point, it's fully ready. I'll take it aside. I'll go ahead now and fry the beef with a little bit of oil. Once it's hot, I'll add some chopped onions. I'll just stir it and I'll go ahead and add the beef. I'll keep stirring until the color is not changed and is well fried. And the oil that I'm going to be having there, I'm not going to wash it off. The flavor that comes out from meat, it goes a long ways in your fried rice. I'll take up the beef out from the pot. I'll go ahead and clean the pot. So this is the tomato paste that I'm going to be using. This is a 400 gram. I'm only using half of it, which is a 200 gram. So this is the oil that came out from the beef that I fried. I'll add 2 more cooking spoons to it. So once it's hot, I'll start with the tomato paste. I'll keep stirring. I know someone will ask, why not onions? Yes, onions will come later. If you add onions first, the something will become fried and become black. So I don't really want it so. So I'll keep stirring until this tomato paste is fully cooked, just like what you are saying. So at this point, it's perfectly okay. I'll go ahead and add the rest ingredients to it. So I'll allow it to cook. So I'll go ahead and add seasoning. You can use any seasoning that is available for you. A little bit of curry again. This is a dried onions. When you are making your jollof rice, guys, it goes a long way. The flavor you do release on it is wonderful. This is a salt. I'll add some salt. I'll allow it to cook and I'll go ahead and add the meat stock to it. I'll allow it to cook. At this point, it's perfectly okay. I have already parboiled my rice. I'm using Uruguay rice. And you can use any rice of your choice. But this is a parboiled rice. So I will go ahead and stir it to make sure it's well combined. Once it's well combined just like this, I'll cover it again. At this point, when cooking your jollof rice, make sure that the heat is on a medium heat. When making your jollof rice, make sure that you are patient with it. You don't really need too much water making your jollof rice. It will become too soft. All you need then making jollof rice is heat. You low it and cover it. And while you are patient with it, the rice will come out great and wonderful. Can you see how the color looks like it has started changing? And the aroma that comes out from it, oh my God, is undescribable. And the taste of the rice, my God. At this point, I will add frozen peas to it, some chopped onions, butter, and the fried beef. I'll cover it again. After for a few minutes, I'll open it and I'll stir it again. Oh my God. If you are making for a large party, you can use the same process. You will only increase everything that you are saying. Guys, this food is elele. If I can post your portions, you will understand what I mean. All the only boy is just putting nose down. What is happening? What is happening? Thank you for watching. See you soon again in another satisfying video. Bye bye.